Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. I'm outside, don't know exactly why I am. Well, I want to be, because I love doing the outside unboxings. I love doing the outside videos, but those days are waning. We're walking into winter here in Utah. I still like doing them, but I'm battling some wind and possibly some rain, so I don't know exactly what I'm doing. This is a Hot Wheels US. I believe it's a Q case. Well, I'm almost positive it's a Q case because Mattel said they were sending me two Q cases. One is the Walmart case, that might be this one. I'm not entirely sure, but we're just going to open it up and see what is inside, and we'll do this unboxing. There's the wind. Let's see how this goes. Depending on what case this is, when I do the Q case, I'm going to do that one first. I'll do the Zamac case second. So when you're seeing this one, we'll just see what's inside. This looks to be, oh, I think we see Zamacs. I think we see Zamacs. All right, well, let's just go for it. And we start with the Lotus Emira. So this is my first time opening a Q case, but if there's Zamacs in it, then this will be the second video I show. So you will have already seen this in the Q case video, right? There's the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR from the Then and Now series, and there's the Mud Studs Volkswagen Baja Bug. I think we've seen all of those. I'm gonna put these over here. La Fasta, we've seen that one. Chevelle SS Express, we've seen that. Audi RS e-tron GT, we've seen that. Oh, here we go. Okay, no, these are all new. Okay, I thought this was a Zamac. It's not. This is the Mazda RX-7. It's the recolor. We've already seen that one. The Ford Escort we have not seen. There is that. That's kind of nice. I'll put that in the highlight pile. Oh, I should put the I should definitely put the Lotus Emira. I hope I'm saying that right, in the highlight pile. And there's Bone Shaker in gold. Looks fantastic. Or is that, I don't know what color you'd call that. Drone Duty, La Troca, and the Hot Wheels Rapid Response. I know that many people are way beyond these cases, but I'm going based on Mattel's distribution. So these are coming out now, right, in stores, the Q cases, and you know, the A's, B's, and C's, all those that I think have been previewed online will be here soon. But we're finishing up 2022 first. There's the RX-7, another Bone Shaker, and another Audi. Seeing a lot of repeats so far. Drone Duty, Track Ripper, and the La Troca. Audi again. We've seen the Jeep Cherokee, and we've seen the Automobili Farina Battista. There's our first Zamac, and there's our first recolor that I've seen. Honda Civic Custom, we saw it in blue, now we see it in red. No mismatched wheels here, just chrome, but well, mismatched in style, right? But not mismatched in color. The Rio Asada Tribute Civic, the Drag Civic, which is fantastic. Would love to see this go premium in some sort of, like, you imagine it's in the drag strip demons that they're doing. There's the Mock It Go, and there's our first Zamac, the Audi Sport Quattro. That looks awesome. I think we saw it in yellow, right? So this is only the second color, if I can remember correctly. I think there were 10 spokes on it to start. Now we have the turbofan wheels, or the disc wheels, or whatever you want to call that. So I'm going to put that off to the side. That's fantastic. Honda is a highlight. Mod Rod, Bone Shaker again, Carbonator. These Zamac cases can be weird, right? Ah, here we go. Matt and Debbie Hayes, 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. This thing is so cool. And I can see why a lot of people are into this. One has a little scratch on it, right? But I'm sure we'll find another one. We'll have another Q case to open, right? This is one of the cool new models of the year. Definitely add that to the highlight pile. Toyota Supra we've seen, and we've also seen the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. All right. Keep going. Where are the other Zamacs? Mod Rod, another Audi Zamac, and then the Bone Shaker. Again, how many Bone Shakers have I pulled? Like 6,000? Toyota again, Aston Martin, I think, well, we saw that in the last case. That looks cool. And there's the Cruise Bruiser. That's the recolor, right? That looks nice. Okay. Let's see what else we've got. Pontiac GTO in black. That was a Zamac the last time, so that's the third color. Oh, how about this? 72, I'll say it again, 72 Ford Gran Torino Sport. This is an all-timer for me. I know it's been well documented this year how much I love the Greenwood Corvette. This one is up there too, is one of my all-time favorites. Brennan Vituski designed this one. I am a completist on this, and this is nice and clean. That is definitely going into the highlight pile. That is awesome. There's the, I already mentioned the name, so we won't worry about that. Turbine, Sublime, MST, Suzuka. I don't know if I've seen this, the regular treasure hunt yet. And there's the Aston Martin V12 Speedster in black. That's very cool. I'll put that in the highlight pile. And let's just hope that this wind doesn't take everything down. Turbine, Sublime. Again, well, it's the exact same little mix right there, right? That is not a repeat, but it is a repeat. Ah, here's a Zamac. Oh, and here's a Shelby. I don't even remember that Shelby, seeing that. Number 17 is the Dodge Viper RT10. Saw it in blue, right, to start, so we'll add that to the Zamac pile. There is the Ford Shelby GT350R. I don't even remember seeing this one in other, but maybe I haven't been paying attention, but that's nice. It has the front and rear, well, it doesn't have the front, but it does have the rear detailing. Has the top stripe. That's very cool. Highlight pile. That goes. And then the 81 Camaro, if this one had real riders, it would be a Super. I haven't pulled a Super out of a Zamac case since Mattel started sending them to me. And I don't know if anyone's been finding them. Well, look at that. There is a recolor of the Audi, and it's in the same case as the Zamac. I didn't see that in a previous case, so I think they debut in the same case. That's kind of cool. Add that to the pile. There's a custom small block and a 40 Ford pickup. That's kind of cool. Any more Zamacs? We got to get a third here, right? Pontiac GTO, Mustang again, and there's the GTR. Renan Rig, Mustang 2+2 Fastback. That's a Target exclusive right now. I don't know if that's a recolor that we have seen or not. And then there's the Mazda RX-7. Not a lot of variety in this case, right? So far. The Lotus Emira again. There's another Zamac Audi. Still waiting for the third one. And then the McLaren Elva. That's a recolor of the first one. So we'll put that in the highlight pile. Wind is picking up. And there we go. There's your third Zamac. 69 Camaro convertible sitting right on top of the 69 Copo Camaro. So we're seeing some, that's not an exact match, right? But that's a very nice one. And the bricking speed. But let's add that. That is nice and clean. I think is that both in Muscle Mania? It is. So nice to see that one. We'll move these over here. And we'll see if we get multiples of these others, right? Oh, we did. There's the Thunderbird again. Cleaner version, so put that in the highlight pile. Electrac, another Viper. Mustang, another Audi. So we did heavy on the Audi, which I think was the best one. And the Renan Rig. And we finish recolor of the Mustang. There's another RX-7 and a Honda Super Cab, which is new for 2022. And I don't know if I've put that in the pile yet, so we'll move that off to the side. So what are the highlights? Well, I'd say these are definitely highlights. The Thunderbird for sure. Wind likes those. Other new models to add to the pile. Those are cool. Love the Torino. Always happy to see that. Mustang, recolor of the Aston Martin. Recolor of the McLaren. Definitely the 81 Camaro. Super or not, that's a great version. And then the Zamacs. Well, we've got two colors of the Audis. And then the Zamacs, we have the Camaro convertible, the Viper RT10, and the Audi. Audi wins that one. Now, how did we do? Like, we got kind of a weird assortment. One Camaro, two Vipers, and four Audis. So if I had to pick one to get multiples of, it would be the Audi. I would have loved to get another of that Camaro, but those assortments are different, right? They're going to be different in every case, and this one did seem odd. We seem to have a lot of repeats. That can happen in Zamac cases, I think, because they're obviously, the assortments are just a little bit different. They can probably be a little bit more random, but I'm glad at least we got one of each Zamac. You guys tell me what you think. Which one's your favorite? The Zamacs are done. I'll do a video where I open up these 3. We'll finish off the Zamacs, look at the Target Red Editions, all that kind of stuff. I think we are finished. I think basics are done too. So yeah, because the Best Buy exclusives are coming out now as well. Thanks everybody. Bye.